Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am giving you what you asked. You guys been asking me for a makeup tutorial video. And if you guys been following me for a while, you know makeup is not my thing. That's why I'm laughing. Makeup's not my thing. I'm not a pro. I'm very far from being a makeup guru. My best friend Crystal always makes fun of me when I go and buy makeup because she's my makeup guru. Crystal, if you're watching, comment ça va, ma chérie? She's my makeup guru. Every time I have to go out and buy makeup, she is on my phone. I have her on speed dial. We're the same complexion. So she's the one who tells me, you go to this place, you buy this color, and you get this one, and you mix it with that one, and voila. So I was actually on the phone with her this morning telling her they want me to do a makeup video. We laughed a lot. Anyhow, you ask, so you shall receive, and here it is, my no makeup video. It's not gonna last long, you guys. I'm gonna make it last because I have stuff to talk about, but it's not gonna last long. Also, my hair today is brought to you by DevaCurl, and it sucks. I really don't like it. I'm sorry, DevaCurl. I would love to love your product, but every time I put it on, my hair looks like shit. So I'm so sorry. A reason why I use the DevaCurl product, because the bottles are full and I did not know what to put on my hair this morning, and the super cream was looking at me, and the whatever gel I got from them was looking at me, and they were like, we're full, like, you know, you might as well use this. And half an hour, 45 minutes later, this is where I stand. Anyhow, it is what it is. It's not that bad, but it's not my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer to me. I have a mirror right there that I'm trying to keep out of the frame so you don't see it. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm not using any lights, just the sunlight. So if the light changes a little bit, it is what it is. It's natural. Okay, this is my face, obviously. And the lotion I put on my face is my DIY shea butter. I will link a video here to how I make this lotion. It's very thick and very hydrating, and it kind of sits on the face. Let me make sure I'm focused here. Okay, that's a little bit better. So it sits on top of the skin for a while, and then eventually the skin absorbs the oils and all that. But it's very, very hydrating because, well, we are in the middle of October and my skin is starting to get dry. And then with this lotion, I mix a little bit of my DIY anti-wrinkle oil. I'm running out, so I'm gonna have to mix some very soon. This looks disgusting, I'm sorry, but it's oily. You know, when you use an oil, it gets oily and dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a new batch of that very soon, and I'll probably do a video about it. All right, so with no further ado, we're gonna start everything right now. My face is moist but not sticky or greasy. It's kind of like the perfect perfect hydration level. Okay, here we go. All right, so it is mid-October right now. I still have a little bit of my tan from the summer because I hydrate my skin so well. So I don't really put any foundation on, but if I was to put foundation on, I would. Right now I am using the Fenty Beauty number 310. So that's Fenty Beauty. I wanted to try Riri's line of product. It's okay. I can't remember what other foundation I was using before that, but I used so little foundation. This is from last winter, you guys. I stopped putting foundation around May, June. And that's what I have left right here from last winter. And I probably bought this, I don't remember, to be honest, but it was last winter. Okay, so now I am going to Photoshop my face. I'm going to put my Radiant Cream Concealer from NARS, and I am using the shade Biscuit. It's medium slash dark 1. That's how it looks like. And I am going to go right under my eyes with this bad guy. Yeah, this is where I apply the majority of my makeup. Mom life. Hashtag mom life. I'm going to put it here because it's a little red here all the time. I don't know why. I do scratch my nose a lot though. Maybe that's why. It's like blood vessels. And then here. And then now I'm gonna take my silicone, I don't know how you call it. I should have cleaned my stuff before I started this video. My silicone, my dirty silicone sponge. I don't know how you call this, but it's like all silicone. It's not porous, so it doesn't absorb the foundation or the liquid that you use, which is what I want, because I want the foundation to stay on, or the concealer to stay on my skin and not to be absorbed by the sponge. So I am just blending everything in, and what I have extra, I put it on the top of my eye. I don't know how you call this in English, but up there. And yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm now gonna go towards my nose. Alright, so when this is blended in, I'm gonna go here and here, just go up like this. I don't always do that. I'm just getting fancy for you guys. I really don't. It's not often that I do this part. I usually leave my nose alone because my nose is fine, just the way it is. Hop, et voilà, that's done. Okay, so that's for my foundation. That's for my skin color. Voila. So now that I look rested, I'm gonna add a little bit of shadow. I'm gonna do my cheeks here. And if you look at my face, I already have my natural shadows here. And I have a natural one here too. And then here. So the makeup artist at Macy's told me to do a number 3. But I don't do a number 3. I just look where, well, technically it is, but I look where my natural shadows are, and I just follow that. Oh, I forgot to take my brushes. I'll be right back. Get them. Okay, so I am taking this brush. I have no clue where it comes from. I have no idea. I have no idea. But you see how it's like slanted like this? So this is the one I'm gonna use, and I have no numbers, no name. It's just a black brush that I got somewhere at some point in my life. You guys asked for it, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, so now we're moving into the, what you call this again? Putain, c'est grave. Shadow thingies. Oh shit, comment ça s'appelle ce truc déjà? Somebody help me with this. Can't even call Krista because she's in a conference right now. C'est pas de la terracotta, c'est au secours. I'm gonna take this to do my contouring, okay? If you guys know the name of this, and I'm sure you do, put it in the comments below. All I can tell you is that it's color Casino, from, again, NARS. I want to say 90% of my makeup is from NARS. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna use it for my contouring with this brush, okay? So I'm doing this, I'm doing a little bit of that because I don't want to have a mark. And again, I'm looking for my natural shadow. I'm looking for my natural mark, right? And I'm just going to accentuate a little bit. We're not going, we're looking for a natural look here. I'm just gonna go a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go down here like that, okay? Voila. The other side, well, I'm doing here too a little bit. Voila. Okay, now the other side. So same thing. And then I'm going by my ears too, because I don't want to have a big difference in color between here and here. So I'm going by my ear a little bit, and then I'm going down here. A little bit more, and then up here. And it also smooth my edges here. My hair is so fine that this does my edges. How crazy. Okay, we are done with this part. Voila, very natural, very light. And then I'm gonna do my cheekbones. I'm gonna change brush. I'm gonna use, it's pretty much the same as the one for the shadow, right? But it's a different color. It's pink, because I'm gonna use a pink tone on my cheekbones. And we are going with the blush. That's a blush from NARS again, and the color is called Blissful, and this is the color. It's pretty dark. So I have two blush. I have this one from NARS, and then I have the NARS Orgasm. Apparently that's like the best seller in the universe. I discovered it maybe on my birthday in August, like 3 months ago. Welcome to the world, Louisa. I know I'm late. This is the color that I got, and yeah, it's called Orgasm. So I think there's only this color. I'm not even sure. Don't take my word for it because I don't know much about makeup. It's cute for the summer, but it's not really dark enough for my skin tone. I like to have a little bit more of a pop on my cheekbones. So this is, I like more of an eggplant color for my cheekbones. So again, I'm gonna go here, and then this is how I like to apply it. I don't know if it's right, I don't know if it's wrong. At the end of the day, it looks okay on my face, so that's what I do. Okay, anyway, I am kind of blending the two together, and then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And I'm going up like this, okay? And I'm going in circle because I like it to kind of blend together. Same thing here, I'm going up. I'm not going too close to my eyes because I want kind of like a lighter space between this and that. Yeah, that's that. Now I'm done. Oh no, I'm not done. I need a little bit of powder to absorb. And again, we're with NARS. This video is not sponsored at all. NARS Mountain Soft Velvet Loose Powder. This one right here. and it's the Mountain Shade for those ladies who have the same skin tone as me. This is the brush I use, the big fat one. I do this, I do that, and I go on my nose, on the T-zone pretty much. I don't like to go close to my eyes because it tends to give me creases and make me look like I have wrinkles. So I don't really go there. And voila. And then I'm gonna brush my eyebrows to make sure that they stay kind of, you know, at bay a little bit. Although throughout the day they're gonna do whatever they want. That's their problem, not mine. My eyebrows have a life of their own. So voila, that's that. I am pretty much done with my makeup. I can't believe this video is already at 18 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. All right, you guys, well, this is the end result for my no makeup. I managed to make it last a little bit longer than 3 minutes. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not pretending to teach you anything here, but this is me, and when I don't have to explain to somebody every single step, it takes me less than 5 minutes to put my makeup on. So voila. I don't put anything on my lips usually, and if I do, it's the lipstick is in my handbag and I'm not gonna go get it. So voila. All right, you guys, I am all set and done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And then, oh, one last thing. I think I'm gonna cut my hair short, you guys. So I put on my YouTube a little poll, is that how you call it, or a survey, where I ask you guys, should I cut my hair short again, like this length with a bunch of layers so I get my volume and my curls back, or should I, let me put it down, should I keep it going with the length and see where this brings me? Right now I'm frustrated because I'm losing a lot of my curls. I have more wavy hair than curly hair, and I'm just a little frustrated with it, and I want to go back to Ouidad, and I want Elena to cut my hair again. So let me know in the comments below, or no, don't let me know in the comments below. Go into my community section on my YouTube channel and you'll see the poll here and vote. Let me know if you want me to cut it short again or keep it going along. And according to the result, by the end of this week, by Monday next week, I will take a decision. I will make a decision. All right, my loves. All right, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and vote. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.